Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Black color, dark blue color, brown color, violet color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, purple color, orange color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for bus. C. C for car. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Black color, orange color, dark blue color, light green color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color, violet color. Let's learn to count some numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0. 0 balls. Number 1. One ball. Number 2. Two balls. Number 3. One, two, three. 3 balls. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Number 8. 2 plus 8 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Number 9. 1 plus 9 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Number 10. 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.